That is 250th of a second f11. It's nice and bright, so it's going to stand out regardless, but you want to get that dark sky first. But yeah, just a couple of different variations, just blue with a pole sticking out of it really. I like it.
I'm not confident with the images I'm going to get, but it's nice just coming out for a walk and fresh air, enjoy the summer.
Eight, 125. I think that's about right.
Seen something that could be interesting, so I'm going for the highlights on the lights. This is f11, 500th of a second. Seagull in the middle of that one.
Yes. F11 125. That's not the name of the train. That's my settings.
So he's making jokes about train numbers. He knows what they are.
That's a 66771. I think we'll find. Seven shots left. How many do you have left?
I believe I've only taken 17 shots.
Oh, okay. Mine the way. This is why you can't share light meters. I think finding a good lab is like finding a fine tailor's. Like, some are good, some are bad, some are cheap, some are expensive. And then you'll find the right ones who develop your film without messing with it, who are cheap, and do mail-in so you don't even have to visit them. I love that, don't you? I love the tree just right next to the mirror, just right next to two giant industrial estate buildings.
Are we getting the seagulls in?
I hope we're getting them.
Yeah.
If not, I'm going to overdub it.
Yeah. I mean, they're not obnoxious at all, are they? Cool. Well, I like the shadows that are in here.
Yeah.
I guess I'm just going to have to accept that I'm affecting the scene. In my head it's working. There's the tree and the mirror, the shadow of the tree and the tree.
It's so meta. 1 second. Can you see? Hello.
I think there was some bright colours over here.
That's it. That's the end of my roll. Pop the thing in, open the top. Okay, without opening the back. There we go. The satisfying torque against it, and then come on. There we go. It's gone loose. So
I tried to stop mine just before the film goes right into the canister.
there is another easy way. If you get a film which already has a tongue sticking out, you lick it, or you make one bit wet. You can feed it straight through the bit that the film's gone into and pull out the other film. They'll stick to each other, pull it out.
Okay, very good.
So just get into the practice of licking your films.
So F16 1/25. So I think I would have liked a longer focal length for today. I think just to try something different. I think, no.
Do you feel constrained by the 50mm?
No, I just feel like it's a focal length that I use too much. Do I get 36 on this one or 37?
Well, I got 38, which was surprising. I wasn't expecting that last one. It's like a nice little bonus, which was just wasted.
Yeah.
I feel, you know,
You put no effort into that last one at all, did you?
because I wasn't expecting the gift of a film shot. I wasn't expecting.
I wish there was a camera on this. 'Cause these tiny little compositions are really cool.
Bag's getting a bit lighter. Once you take a photo,
gets
the film
lighter,
weighs
yeah.
less.
It's the silver disappearing.
Yeah, it's magic disappears. We're going to see how the shots come out. Get them developed down in Birmingham. And yeah, I mean, what are you looking for in these photos? You just want one
Magic.
switcher? You want magic?
I want to be blown away by the awesomeness of the pictures.
Same.
It's going to be next level from that one.
I really like that mirror shot back then. That was
Yeah.
nice. That was very...
But I don't know, I mean, this is my first roll of Portra, so I'm mainly interested to see how the colours are going to come out and whether they're going to come out the way I think they are.
Yeah.
So I'm expecting quite nice, pastel-y, muted. If I don't see that, then I know everyone's been editing their pictures of Portra stuff.
Nonsense.
It's all a lie.
No one edits their pictures. It's all straight out of our camera.
Yeah.
Right, in that case, it's goodbye for now. See you in the next video.
Peace.